Electric Blade, or my real name, Tristan, here, and doing a pretty early in the morning vlog. After I get this video done, I'm gonna go and do my schoolwork. I'm gonna do my schoolwork. Oh, I feel tired as crap. I've never been this tired. And I drink some Dr. Thunder. Get a little caffeine in my system. Maybe this will help. Oh, Dr. Thunder is technically a brand, but I'm not sponsored, but please, somebody sponsor my videos. Please. That's good stuff. Oh, and you've got to try Mountain Dew Baja Blast. Oh, that stuff is so good. Oh, and the gaming video will not be going up because apparently it won't work. It just won't work. Like, YouTube's saying that it's too long for it to upload properly. So really, I'm never gonna be able to. But it's a 17-minute video. So if you realize, it should upload. But nope, it won't. Oh, an update to Fortnite just happened. Oh, I feel tired. Oh, Skylanders needs to come back because I have been a fan of it for a long time. And I've got a bunch of Pokemon cards and everything. But I loved Skylanders when it was in the Wii. When they were still coming out with them. The idea of Skylanders, multiple different gimmicks, was incredible. Uh, uh, I don't want to get another copyright strike. Just technically, that was somewhat of my sister's fault. She said that I do have a sister, but it's not my editor. Everyone, like, she said that, like, my sister said that YouTubers didn't have to get permission to use music. They use it anyway. But she got me a copyright strike on my new intro and outro video to show off what I was going to use for my intro and my outro. Yeah, that was a sad video. It was sad. Oh, and my birthday was actually the 10th of this month, so yeah. My birthday is gone by, and well, I am really darn like I got good stuff for my birthday. Oh, I got a new blanket to sleep under. It's bigger than my last one because I'm 14 and I am tall as crap. Like, I'm almost as tall as my mom. Yeah, a 13-year-old. A 14-year-old almost as tall as his mom. Yeah, that makes no sense. Okay, I'm gonna end